Okay, after you plug, so you plug the left-hand side of the inequality into y1, you plug the right side into y2, and you hit graph. And so this is what it pulls up. Now, when I read this inequality on number 20, it says the logarithm, which is the curved piece, this piece, is less than 2. So I'm looking for the part of the graph where the curved piece is below the straight line. So I am looking for this piece of graph. And just remember, when it's asking you for an inequality, it's not ever one number, it's a range of numbers. I'm looking for the x values from here to here. This one's easy to find, because you can just do an intersect. So I do second trace, intersect, first curve, second curve. All right, so it intersects at the point 4,2. That's this point right here. Remember, I am only concerned about the x values because I'm getting a solution. Solutions are x's. So I'm looking for the x values from here to here. So if you're not sure what this one is, now I could go to the table and look for it. You should be able to tell, just because you know enough about transformations, what this has done to the logarithm. Where does the logarithm usually start? Remember? It moved it left how many places?
5.
Moved it left 5 places. Now remember, a logarithm has an asymptote usually at 0. So that just means my asymptote moved over to -5. So is the -5 included or not? No, because there's an asymptote there. So if I'm going to write this answer, this over here is a -5. So it's going to be, in interval notation, it would be -5 to 4. Neither of them are included. The reason the 4 is not included is because it only asked for where it was less than 2. It didn't ask me where it was equal to 2. If I wanted to do it in algebraic, it would be -5 is less than x, which is less than 4. And either of those is correct. It doesn't matter which notation you choose. You could do it in number line notation if you wanted to, and do -5, open circle, to 4, and shade in between.
You would accept the number?
Yeah, yeah. Just know, probably on a standardized test, SAT, ACT, they're not going to put a number line, but as long as you know what that means, I would be happy with that. That'd be great.